The Honeywell Glen Alden Brushed Nickel Low Profile LED Ceiling Fan with light is a solution to low ceiling problems. This indoor fan's ceiling hugger design is great for indoor spaces such as living rooms and bedrooms that might have low ceiling clearance and features a rounded LED bowl light. The 52-inch blades are reversible, providing two color options for this fan and are designed for medium to large-sized rooms. The motor is quiet with 3 speeds to choose from and reversible for both downdraft and updraft. For more information or to purchase this product, visit www.honeywellstore.com.